To register for the first administrator, enter the setting menu by pressing the star and hex symbol under number 7 and 9. Input an administrator unlocking method. It can be your fingerprint, PIN, or RFID card. For this video, we will be using PIN as our administrator method. Press star to go back to the previous menu. To add another administrator, enter the setting menu by pressing star and hex. When asked to authorize, input your admin unlocking method and select option 1 for admin setting. Then option 1 again to add admin and input an unlocking method. To add new user, enter the setting menu by pressing star and hex. When asked to authorize, input your admin unlocking method and select option 2 for user setting. Then option 1 to add user. Select a type of user. It can be a family member, your nanny, or a guest, and then input an unlocking method. We will now show you how to register your fingerprint. After selecting the type of user, scan your preferred finger 3 times at the same position. We will recommend you to register your finger at a few more positions or on other fingers as well. The screen will indicate successful registration with an ID number. To register a PIN, after selecting the type of user, enter a 6-pin number and press hex. Enter the 6-pin number again and press hex. The screen will indicate successful registration with an ID number. To register for a RFID card, after selecting the type of user, tap the RFID card on the digital door lock's number pad area. The screen will indicate successful registration with an ID number. To delete an administrator or user, enter the setting menu by pressing star and hex. When asked to authorize, input your admin unlocking method. Select option 1 for admin setting if you are deleting an admin, or option 2 for user setting if you are deleting a user. Select option 2 to delete. Then, select option 1 to delete by keying the ID number of the user. To set the date and time, enter the setting menu by pressing star and hex. When asked to authorize, input your admin unlocking method and select option 3 for system setting. Then, option 1 to set time. Enter the correct date and time and press hex to complete setup. After registering an unlocking method for your nanny, at the setting menu, select option 4 to append setting and press 3 to set nanny time frame. Adjust the time and press hex to complete setup. The nanny time frame function allows you to set the time frame that your nanny is allowed to enter the house via his or her unlocking method. The rechargeable battery is located at the back of your digital door lock. Remove the battery cover to retrieve it. To charge your rechargeable battery, plug in the micro USB to the rechargeable battery and a power source to start charging. Similar to a new phone, our digital door lock rechargeable battery requires an initial charge of 6 to 8 hours to activate the full battery life potential. While the battery is charging, you can use the manual lock to unlock the door from the inside. To unlock the door from the outside, you can use your mechanical keys. When the digital door lock battery life reaches 10%, it will prompt you to charge. In the event that your digital door lock runs out of battery, remove the magnetic plate to find the micro USB port and perform an emergency charging using your power bank to start up your digital door lock. Once you have entered your house, you can start charging your rechargeable battery.